Hey everyone, and welcome! Today we're diving into AI automation. But look, instead of all the hype about replacing jobs, we're going to look at it a different way, as a blueprint for working smarter, not harder.
So, to kick things off, let's just jump right in with a pretty provocative question from our source material today. What if AI could replace hours of your work in just a few seconds? I know, it's a bold claim, so let's unpack where it's coming from.
You see, the source we're breaking down is actually a production blueprint for a viral-style tech video. Think of it like a director's cheat sheet. And this gives us a really unique peek behind the curtain at how these powerful tools are being presented to the world.
Now, the blueprint is for a video with a super dramatic title, 5 free AI tools that replace your job. But what's so fascinating is that this plan actually gives us a perfect map. It lets us explore 5 really powerful AI tools and understand how they're used day to day by people who need to get stuff done fast, like entrepreneurs and creators.
All right, let's open up this AI toolkit. We're not just going to look at the tech itself. Instead, for each tool, we're going to frame it as a direct solution to a common, and let's be honest, often super frustrating problem we all face at work.
So before we dig into each one, here's the quick 30,000-foot view. We're talking about writer's block, getting stuck on design, painful video editing, repetitive marketing tasks, and all those workflows that just don't connect. And yeah, for each one, there's an AI tool ready to help out. First up, a problem I think every single one of us has faced. You sit down to write an email, a report, whatever, and you just stare. Stare at that blinking cursor on a blank page. Ugh, writer's block.
And here's the solution, ChatGPT. The absolute best way to think about it is as a creative partner. You give it a simple idea and it gives you a starting point. It helps you instantly jump over that first big hurdle.
And this really just demystifies the whole process, you know? It's not magic. It's a simple back and forth. You provide the direction, the AI generates a draft, and then you, the human, provide the final polish in that spark of creativity. Let's move on to our next challenge. You need a specific image for a presentation or a social post, like right now. But you're not a graphic designer and you don't have the time or budget to hire one. This is a classic design bottleneck. The solution here is a tool like Midjourney. Just think of it as your on-demand illustrator. It literally turns your words into pictures, which means anyone can create high-quality, totally custom visuals just by describing what they imagine.
And this process just shows how fast you can go from an idea in your head to a finished product. You just describe what you want, the AI visualizes it in a bunch of different ways, and you pick the one you like best. No complicated software needed.
All right, for anyone who works with video, you know this pain point well. The sheer amount of time it takes to cut clips, remove backgrounds, or add effects, it can be absolutely draining.
This is where Runway AI comes in. It's built specifically to be like an editor's assistant, you know? It takes over all those complex and repetitive tasks that just eat up all your production time.
This workflow is a complete game changer. Instead of clicking through a million menus, you can literally just tell the AI what you want, like remove the background or make this part slow motion, and boom, it does the heavy lifting for you.
Next up, a huge challenge in marketing and social media, the constant, never-ending need for fresh content. Writing new ad copy, different social media posts. It can lead to creative burnout so fast.
So, meet Copy AI. And unlike a general writing tool, this one's a specialist. It's been trained on tons of successful marketing content, so it kind of knows what works and can generate really effective copy for ads, emails, and posts. You know, this process is all about generating options. You give it the basic info and it hands you back 5, 10, maybe 20 different creative angles to work with. It's like having an instant brainstorming session on demand.
Our final problem is a little more behind the scenes, but it's a massive time waster. It's all that manual work of moving information from one app to another, like downloading an attachment, then uploading it to the cloud, then letting your team know.
And the solution is Zapier AI. The best way to think about it is like a universal translator for all your apps. It lets them talk to each other and automatically pass information back and forth so you don't have to do it by hand. It's all based on a super simple if this, then that system. You know, if a new sale happens in my store, then automatically add that customer to my mailing list. You set up these simple rules just once, and they work for you 24/7 in the background. So let's bring this all together in our final section and take a look at what this tech really means for the future of work. So here it is, the crucial point.
Remember that clickbaity title, 5 tools that replace your job? Well, the real message of the blueprint is the complete opposite. AI isn't replacing people. It's replacing the inefficient, tedious, time-consuming parts of our jobs. It's replacing slow work.
This technology is all about automating that slow work so that we have more time and energy to focus on the creative, strategic, and human parts of our jobs that truly matter. And that leaves us with one final question for you. What's slow work in your day